Understanding earthquake predictions and preparedness in California. In California, the ground shakes and the world watches. Earthquakes are a part of life here, but what are the true worrying signs? Scientists have been studying seismic activity for decades, trying to predict when the next big one will hit. They've developed models that analyze fault lines, historical data, and even the movement of tectonic plates. Yet despite all this research, predicting earthquakes remains a challenge. Some experts believe that certain signs can indicate an impending quake. For instance, unusual animal behavior has been reported before major tremors. Dogs barking excessively, birds flying erratically, and even snakes slithering out of their dens. While these observations are intriguing, they lack scientific backing. Then there's the phenomenon of foreshocks. These smaller tremors can occur days, weeks, or even months before a larger quake. However, not every earthquake has foreshocks, and not every foreshock leads to a big one. It's a bit like trying to predict the weather. Sometimes the signs are there, and sometimes they're not. Now let's talk about prophecy. Throughout history, various cultures have claimed to predict earthquakes. From ancient texts to modern-day prophets, the idea of foreseeing seismic events has fascinated many. Some believe that spiritual signs or celestial events can foreshadow a quake. In California, some people look to the Bible for clues. Verses about the earth shaking and the heavens trembling are interpreted as warnings.